Collage is one of the software options that's available for the ClearTouch panels. Collage is how you're able to connect different devices wirelessly to cast onto the ClearTouch. You can have up to 9 different devices shown on the ClearTouch panel at once, but you can have an entire class worth of devices actually connected to the panel so that you can easily pull up different devices and switch between them. From the sidebar, I can select the Home button to take me to my home page where I can see all the different apps. This is where I can access the Collage app. When I select Collage, you notice this code comes up. This is the code that students or other guests in the classroom will enter to be able to join and cast to the screen. You also notice that up here, this floating bar is the same code as the code in the Collage app. That floating bar is going to be there regardless of your input. So if you're on the PC side, the Android side, or on a different HDMI port, people will still be able to access that code to cast their device. So I'm going to go back into the PC side, and that code is going to stay there. Collage works with any type of device, so a Chromebook, a different laptop, a tablet, a phone. As long as that Collage app is downloaded on the device, students and other guests will be able to connect. I'm going to show you how that works using an iPad. Here I have S3's iPad, and I'm going to go ahead and select the Collage app down here from the bottom. I'm going to be prompted to type in the code, which is the code that's displayed on the board. Okay, after the code has been typed in, it's going to connect, and this is what your app will look like on your device. When I'm ready to share, all I did was click Start in the upper right corner. This is a really cool feature because the teacher has to approve the device that's being shared before it's going to actually show on the ClearTouch panel. Up here, I get this little notification when somebody is trying to cast their device. I can either accept or reject. So I'm going to go ahead and accept it. And then if you're on an Apple device, you are going to have to do an additional step by selecting screen mirroring. But if you're on a Chromebook or a different PC, it's going to go ahead and just automatically share what you have on your screen to the ClearTouch. So I'm going to swipe down. And now my iPad is on the ClearTouch. As I mentioned, you could have an entire class worth of devices connected to Collage, making it super easy to pull up different students. The way you can see which devices you have connected is again from that Collage app that's on the home screen. So I'm going to click on my side arrow. I'm going to select the home button. I'm going to go back into the Collage app. From that app, I have something down here that says devices. When I click on it, it's going to show me all of the devices that are connected to this ClearTouch panel. So you could have all of your students, when they come in, connect to Collage. That way, you can pull up their devices as you would like to share. So here I can go ahead and click on that iPad that I just connected. And right here, the first icon there, it is asking to mirror what is on the iPad to the ClearTouch. So if I click it, I'm going to go through that process again of accepting the share, and the iPad is going to show on the ClearTouch panel.